Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to open Instagram on laptop. To install Instagram on the laptop, we are going to open the Microsoft Store. Next, we will search for Instagram and install it. After that, we can log in and use Instagram from here. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Another alternative is to install Instagram from the browser. To do this, we open Instagram from our Chrome browser. After logging in, we will see an install icon in the address bar that we can click on. After that, we can click on Install and complete the installation process to see how the installed Instagram window opens using the browser. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.